So exercise 2.3c here. The first question is given to you. Which of the following are the functions? Give the reasons. If it is a function, determine the domain and the range. So here in this first question is given to you. Very simple here. Everything is given to you as a roster form. ये roster form में दे दिया है. So what is this? Is a 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 14, 17. 11, 14, 17. Whether it is a function or not. Anyone? How do you decide whether it is a function or not? Huh? Whether it is a function or not. How do you decide? फंक्शन बोले तो सिंपल क्या है, आपको ordered pairs में no two ordered pairs should have the first element same. Normally what is meant by a function? Function is nothing but if you are taking the two sets ले लिया है A and B. So I am once again recalling the function concept. A and B are the two sets we are taking, and in this some elements are there. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 है. In this 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Okay. From here to here, relation is nothing but every element here to here, here to here, here to here, here. And 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, 2 to 6. Like this, all the possible ordered pairs from set A to set B is called as a Cartesian product of the two sets. It is called Cartesian product. From the Cartesian product, subsets if you are taking, means some elements only if you are taking, we call it as a relation. We call it as a relation. So इसमें से कुछ, and in that relation, function. So relations को function group. Which type of the relations are called as a functions? Which type of the relations are called as functions? Means a relation in which this is called domain, this is called codomain. Okay, and इधर से इधर एक link कर दिया, तो the image of 1 is 3 बोलते. So what is a function? Means a relation in which every element of domain is having a unique image. I'm saying every element means हर एक element को एक only one image होना है, दो images नहीं होना है. Okay. So once again I am recalling this. Here to here एक है, अब इधर से इधर नहीं होना है, अब इधर से किधर भी from 1 से एक ही लाइन जाना. अब इधर से सपोज इधर हो गया. So what is that means? 1, 3 एक ordered pair होगा, 1, 6 एक ordered pair होगा. That means to be this one as a function, first x coordinate should be different. All the x coordinates should be different. Same होना, same इधर भी no two ordered pairs will have the first x coordinate same. So that is a condition in case of ordered pairs. I suppose if I am saying to you one example, I will I will ask you here to here, here to here, here to here, whether it is a function or not. No, it's not a function. Why? ये function नहीं है. Why? हाँ, yes. 4 को no image is there. Every element I told ना, इसमें खाली नहीं होना है. Every element should have the some image, but that too only one image, unique image होना. That is only called function. Function is nothing but every element of the domain should have the unique image. Unique is nothing but one. Okay. Suppose you may have like this. B. हाँ, yes. ये इसको इमेज बोलते हैं. इसका इमेज ये है, इसका इमेज ये. सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग हियर 3 to 4 ले लिया, 4 to 5 ले लिया, वेदर इट इज अ फंक्शन और नॉट? Yes, it is a function. Everyone is having image and everyone is having only one image. Unique is nothing but See, sir, ये 2 and 3 are having the same image ना, same image होने दो, it's not doesn't matter, but only one होना है, एक ही इमेज होना है. That means इधर से दो लाइन नहीं जाना है, इधर से दो लाइन नहीं जाना है. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Is it clear to you? That is only called function. First function identification you need to know that. Now इसमें देख लिया तो all are linked to one. All are linked 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Different elements. And different elements are all having the unique image. Means only one image is left, is there. So then you can say that it is a function. Can anyone tell me the which type of the function it is? Which type of the function it is? What? Yes. No two ordered pairs should have the first element same. First element same nahi hona. Then only we call it as a function when it is given in the roster form. When it is given in the roster. Okay. Now here this is the function. Now the question actually asking to you, ये function है नहीं है. Function हो गया तो इसका domain क्या है? What is the domain of f? Domain of the function. Domain is equals to simply right. Domain is nothing but set of all the first elements. First elements 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. So all these first elements को एक जगह में एक set की जैसा लिखना. Then this is called domain. And asking to you domain and range. So what is the range? Range is nothing but set of all the second coordinates. Second coordinates क्या है? 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 उतना time नहीं रखना because it is a set. Only one time you have to write. Which type of the function it is? Type of the function. Yesterday we have discussed. All are having the same image. Then which type of the function it is? It is called constant function. It's called a constant function. Already I said to you, f is a function from a to b such that f of x is equals to some k. K is a constant. Always, every element for all x belongs to a. x a में क्या क्या है वो सारा एलिमेंट्स k को लिंक हो गया. इधर k का प्लेस में 1 है. So all are linked to here. If you are taking 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, here whatever the elements are there, we don't know. Here it is not given to you. कोडोमेन दिया नहीं है. इसमें और कुछ भी हो सकता है. इस क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है. In this question it is not given. So here 2 to 5 hai, all are linked to one element. Then this type of the function is called a constant function. Actually it is not asking to you type of the function. Type of the function nahi पूछ. समझ में आ रहा है ना? But you need to recall all these. Otherwise you will get confused. Subject सीखना है तो हर एक problem को analyze करना है. Every problem should be analyzed. So second one, if you are taking 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. All the first elements are different only. All the first elements are different only. That's why we can call that as a function. And domain is nothing but all the first elements you read. Codomain range is nothing but all the second elements in a set you have. You can do it now. समझ में आया ना? Third question, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Third, what is the here? Here it is given 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Whether it is a function or not? No, it's not a function because one is having the two different images, 3 and 5. So one से दो arrow mark जाएगा. Means according to your knowledge, your terminology. But arrow mark नहीं बोलना है, उसको mapping बोलते हैं. Function का another name of the function is function can also be called as mapping. We can call it as a mapping. Another synonym for the function. Synonym for the function is mapping of boards. Okay, it is not given to you in your textbook, but you have to know that. So this is the first question here. Coming to the second question here, it is given to you that find the domain and range of the following functions. Second question, mein, domain and range of the following. So the function is given f of x is equals to minus mod x. So how do we domain कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? Where that function is defined, for what values of the x it is defined. This expression is defined for what values. Suppose if I have given to you a question to you like this, f of x is equals to 1 by x minus 1. If x equal to 1, will it be defined? Undefined I 1 by 0. If x value 1. So except 1, any number x का place में ले लो, then you are going to get the defined value. Means some number आएगा, real number आएगा. So that's why in the domain 1 should not be there. So what is the domain of this function? Set of all the real numbers except 1. Set of all the real numbers except 1. 1 नहीं होना. So what is the domain of this function means इसका domain क्या है? You have to write this as a all the real numbers minus 1 बोल रहा है ना? 1 नहीं है. Why? Because 1 का placement defined है. In the same way, here if you take x का placement, any number, any real number you take, it is defined. If you take any real number, it is defined because x का place में आपको any real number can be taken. So it is defined. As it is defined for every real number, the domain of this function is equals to set of real numbers. So you can write in the bracket set of real numbers. And what about the range? Range पूछ रहे. How do you decide the range? Range क्या आएगा? Mod x is always greater than 0. Mod x is greater than 0. And minus mod x will be always less than 0. Minus mod x will be always less than or equal to 0. Actually, mod x is always greater than or equal to 0. Minus mod x is always less than or equal to 0. Therefore, f of x is always less than or equal to 0. x कुछ भी ले लो, आप f of x क्या आएगा? Less than or equal to 0 आएगा. So that means you can say that range of the f of x, that function range will be all the, you are not supposed to write in a roster form, real numbers, no? All the negative real numbers along with the 0. Along with the 0. Negative real numbers along with the 0. So negative real numbers is nothing but what you can write here. You are not supposed to write like this. Some students will write that, sir, I will write like this. Can we write like this? No. Why? Because this represents the negative integers only. अब आंसर क्या आएगा? x वैल्यू सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग एज ए x वैल्यू, इफ आई एम टेकिंग एज ए √2 वैल्यू ले लिया. अब f of x क्या होगा? माइनस mod x. दैट इज नथिंग बट माइनस √2 which is equals to minus √2 आएगा. माइनस √2 इसमें है, होना है ना. Range is nothing but whatever the values we are getting, that should be there. So you are not supposed to write as a roster form. So you have to write range of the function, set of the real negative real numbers. Negative real numbers को r minus represent कर, और यूनियन नेगेटिव में 0 नहीं होगा. So 0 को इंक्लूड करना है, प्लस नहीं लिखना है. यूनियन ये सेट है, ये सेट है, दोनों सेट्स को. Here what is, sir, here minus लिख दिया, so why don't you write here plus? You may get out. Minus is nothing but difference of the sets. Sets different है, a minus b जैसा, but sets का addition नहीं होता है. a plus b, capital A plus b नहीं होता. यूनियन इंटरसेक्शन डिफरेंस, ये डिफरेंस है, इधर यूनियन. Is it clear to you? Or you can use the intervals. अभी चाहे तो इसको intervals की यूज करके भी लिख सकते हैं. इंटरवल कैसे यूज करना है? माइनस, ऑलरेडी इंटरवल्स आप लोग सीख लिया. माइनस इंफिनिटी टू 0 इंक्लूडिंग 0, ये दोनों सेम आंसर है. यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? माइनस इंफिनिटी टू ऑल द रियल नंबर्स इंक्लूडिंग 0. 0 इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं तो क्लोज लिखना. तो यू कैन राइट द आंसर लाइक दिस एंड लाइक दिस. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So this is the domain and range of this function. And second question is given to you that f of x is equals to under root of 9 minus x square. Second question is given to you here. F of x is equals to under root of 9 minus x square. So x can be taken any real number. It is defined for all the real numbers, isn't it? इसमें तो undefined कभी भी नहीं आएगा. Undefined कब आएगा? In case if you are having the denominator 0. Denominator में 0 होता है तो then undefined आएगा. So in that situation you are not supposed to take into consider. So domain is directly you can write here domain of f of x is equals to real numbers, set of real numbers. Then how do we decide the range? Range क्या है? How do you decide the range? 9 minus x square. Under root of 9 minus x square value, x value if you are taking any number. For x, x belongs to any real number. X is belongs to any real number. The x is nothing but values whatever we are taking. Then x square will be always greater than or equal to 0. Isn't it? X square will be always greater than or equal to 0. And minus x square will be always less than or equal to 0. Isn't it? X square, I am going to extract this one here. A minus x square is less than 0. Both sides I will add 9. 9 add kar. 9 minus x square is less than or equals to 9. And both sides square root length. Square root of 9 minus x square is less than or equal to square root of 9. Square root of 9 value 3. Only plus 3. Square root of 9. So under root of 9 minus x square is less than or equals to 3. That is nothing but f of x is less than or equals to 3. आप इधर x का प्लेस में कुछ भी ले लो नंबर, whatever it may be the real number, it is going to get less than or equal to 3. Isn't it? सही है? आपको इधर डाउट आना है. Domain I said real numbers, but there itself you need to get a doubt. Domain is not the real numbers. Why? थोड़ा सोच लो. हाँ, ये वैल्यू x स्क्वायर वैल्यू 9 से ज्यादा हो गया. सपोज x स्क्वायर वैल्यू 9 से ज्यादा हो गया. सपोज if x square value is more than 9, that is nothing but if I take x value 4, if I take x value 4, what do you get? 9 minus 16 आया. Under root of 9 minus 16 means under root of negative number आया. Root negative real number is not a real number. 9 minus 16 कितना है? 7 minus 7. So root minus 7 आएगा. So it is not possible. So that's why this domain of this function is not a real number. Here you need to get a doubt actually. Sir, value, how do we get the less than? Yes, I hear, but domain is not the real number. Domain is not the real number. Whether concentrate here, whenever it is root is given. So what? How do we find out the domain? ये तो range find out करने का है तरीका. ये तो range का है. So range. Domain, how do you write here? Domain कैसे find out करना है? Domain के लिए condition क्या है? Compulsory ये value compulsory greater than or equal to 0 होना है. So 9 minus x square compulsory should be greater than 0. समझ में आ रहा है? That is nothing but 9 should be always greater than or equal to x square. So that is nothing but x square should be less than or equals to 9. X square should be less than or equals to 9. X square less than 9 is nothing but x value should be in between minus 3 and plus 3. X value should be, so minus 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 3. 3 minus 3 का बीच में होता है तो ये वैल्यू लेस देन 9 होगा. minus 3 से लेस देन हो गया minus 4, तब भी x स्क्वायर वैल्यू 16 हो जाएगा. If it is minus 2, so x square less than or equals to 9 is nothing but it should be in between these two. So this, how do we get this one means you are going to learn this one in the next coming chapter, linear inequalities, equations, linear inequations and inequations. Inequations chapter में clearly आप लोग सीखेंगे. अभी तो नॉर्मली समझ में आ रहा है ना, एक्स स्क्वायर इज लेस देन आर इक्वल्स टू 9 मींस इट एक्स वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट, so this is possible if x value between these two. So therefore domain is, domain of f of x is equals to close the interval -3 to +3. Or if you want to write in the form of the roster form, sorry, roster form nahi likh sakte, set builder form. If you want to write in a set builder form, how do you write in the set builder form? X such that -3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 3, x belongs to real numbers. दोनों same है ना. Now here domain should be, you have to take like this, x belongs to -3 to +3. x ये दोनों का बीच में लेना है रेंज के लिए. दिस इज डोमेन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, दिस इज रेंज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. नाउ सेम कुल ये दोनों का बीच में है, एक्स स्क्वायर वैल्यू कंपलसरी पॉजिटिव, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर लेस देन 9 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर लेस देन 3, f of x is less than, then f of x is less than 3 means then range will be equals to minus infinity to 3 आएगा function value. Compulsory the value, under root of value, compulsory this value, function value never be negative, it is always positive. So f of x value is compulsory less than or equals to 0. When you are taking here 0, square root of 9 minus x square is less than or equals to 9 means it is should be in between 0 and 3, because 9 minus under root है ना, root value never you are going to get negative, negative नहीं आएगा, positive ही आएगा, 0 आ सकता है. So that's why 0 and 3 भी हो सकता है. So between 0 and 3 we are going to, very interesting question है ये. So then the range will become the 0 to 3. Question I have not explained to you directly, थोड़ा घुमा के बोल दिया बिकॉज समझ में आना है आपको, कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आना है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? 0 to 3. So next, third question, see here, a function f is a function f is defined by f of x is equals to 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Write down the values of f of 0. Very simple question here. It is not at all. F of 0 means 2 into 0 minus 5. Minus 5. F of, next second question is f of 7 asked. So 2 into 7 minus 5. ये तो अभी कुछ बोलने का जरूरत नहीं. You can do it now. Next, fourth question. The function t. Function t which match the temperature in degrees Celsius into temperature degree Fahrenheit is defined by the T of C. It is given that T of C is equals to 9C by 5 plus 32. It is a standard equation actually to convert the temperature in degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit को convert करने के लिए, ये Celsius degree है, सेल्सियस से फॉरेनहीट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ये स्टैंडर्ड है. ओके, सो हियर इट इज गिवन टू यू एंड आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड आउट द T of 0, T of 28, T of -10. T of -10 is nothing but simply -10 इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. 9 into -10 by 5 plus 32. So 5 1 5 2 minus 18 plus 32. Subtract. Simple. You can do it now. 14 we are going to get. So 14 degrees of Fahrenheit minus 10 degrees of Celsius will be equals to 14 degrees of Fahrenheit. Now last question is asking in this, find the value of C if T of C equal to 212. Find the value of C if T of C is equals to 212 is given to you. So ये equations है और कुछ नहीं है. वो 32 को राइट साइड लेके जाओ. So what do you get here? 9c by 5 is equals to 212 minus 32. Okay. So and c value find out करो. After finding this one, 5 by 9 उधर जाएगा. Simplify करना. Simplification part I am leaving to you. It's not necessary to explain to you that one. Instead of that, still more other things we can discuss. Next. Fifth question, find the range of the following functions. This is very interesting question. So first question in this it is given to you, f of x is equals to 2 minus 3x, and here x belongs to real numbers and x greater than 0. Can you tell me from this what is the domain of this function? Domain is given to you positive real numbers. ये domain है. x किधर से किधर तक possible है, that is domain. f of x किधर से किधर तक possible है, that is range. समझ में आया? So x is given to you greater than 0. Then the domain of this function is positive real numbers. Positive. 0 नहीं है. 0 नहीं लेना है. As per the question it is given that sir 0 ले लिया तो आएगा ना. 0 ले लिया तो अभी ये problem नहीं है ना. 2 आएगा. So problem नहीं है. But here the condition is given to you x greater than 0. That is nothing but here from this actually domain is equals to condition in intervals. Open interval 0 to infinity, greater than 0. समझ में आ रहा है ना? x greater than 0 means 0 से ज्यादा है, 0 नहीं है. is equals to दे दिया तो closed interval है. Closed interval. Now this is x value greater than 0. Domain is not asking in this question, but also we have better to write x value greater than 0. Then 3x value is also greater than 0 आएगा ना. 3 multiply कर रहा हूँ. Why I am doing like this? To bring this one. Then minus 3x क्या है? Less than 0 हो जाएगा. If 3x is greater than 0, minus 3x will be less than 0. Isn't it? And 2 add on both sides. 2 minus 3x is less than 2. I am adding 2 on both sides. Okay? So adding 2 on both sides. You can write. So what do you get? This is f of x. F of x is less than 2. Therefore, range is less than 2. 2 say less. So all the negative numbers, not 2, till the 2. So open interval should be written. Minus infinity to 2. आप x value इधर कुछ भी generally check करो. Greater than 0 ले लो. Any number. Just to randomly कुछ numbers check करना. 1 ले लो. 1. 2 minus 3. Minus 1. इसमें आएगा ना? Minus 1. आएगा ना? If I take x value as, can I take the x value as 2 by 3? X value as, if I take 2 by 3, f of x value क्या होगा? 2 minus 3 into 2 by 3 greater than 0 ना, positive लेना है. ये 3 cancel, we are going to get 0. ये 0 इसमें है ना? 0 है ना? So next, what to do here? If you take x value 0 can be taken. X value 0 ले सकते हैं? नहीं लेना है. Because x value 0 से greater than है. अब 0 नहीं लेना है. 0 से 0.000000001 ले लो. No problem. Suppose if you take that number 0.100 times 0.1 ले लिया. So what do you get? 2 minus 0.100 times 3. 100 times 0. Just I am getting. Okay, 100 times if you are getting confused, 001 ले लो. If I take. So what do you get here? 2 minus 3 into 003. Sorry, 1. 2 minus 3x है ना. So 2 minus 3 0.003 आया. 0.003 subtract करो. What do you get? 1.997 आया. 1.997 whether it belongs to here or not. ये है. इधर तक आएगा. 2 नहीं आएगा बस. बिल्कुल 2 नहीं आएगा. अब x वैल्यू सर, मैं x वैल्यू 100 ले रहा हूँ. Yes, what?
सर अगर हम लोग x की वैल्यू कोई इरेशनल नंबर लेंगे तो?
हाँ ले लो, irrational number भी ले लो. Very good. She is asking that x value if it is irrational number is there. Okay, x value she want to take as a x belongs to root 2. Sorry, x is equals to root 2 ले लो. Root 2 ले सकते हैं ना? Can we take it root 2? Root 2 ले सकते हैं. Root 2 ले लिया. 2 minus 3 root 2. Approximate value of the root 2 क्या है? 1.414. Approximate value of root 2 is 1.414. Either 1.414 substitute करो. So what do you get approximately? If you simplify this one, 1.414 3 से multiply करो. 12, 4, 12, 4.2. So 2 minus 4.242 approximately आएगा. This value will be equal to minus 2 point something. So this is lies here or not? इसमें होगा ना? Whatever it may be. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? इसमें भी रियल नंबर इरेशनल नंबर होगा. इसमें भी irrational because this is set of real numbers. That is set of real numbers. So irrational number उधर भी होगा. So next questions let us see a little bit faster. We will complete it. Don't worry. So second question is given that f of x is equals to x square plus 2 and x is a real number. X is a real number means domain is set of real numbers. That is nothing but x belongs to real number, any real. X any real number हो गया. X square value always greater than 0. X any real number ले लो, square क्या होगा? Greater than or equal to 0 हो जाएगा. Positive हो जाएगा. तो x square plus 2 क्या होगा? Greater than or equals to 2 होगा. X square plus 2 क्या है? F of x. So f of x is greater than or equals to 2. So therefore range क्या होगा इसमें? Sorry, 2 से greater, including 2. 2 to infinity. बस हो गया. Third question is given to you. F of x is equals to x. F of x is equals to x. Domain is real number. Domain is equals to real numbers. Range also same आ जाएगा ना. What is this function called? Yesterday I told. Anyone? What is that function called? Type of the functions में बोला है कल. Yes, it is identity function. It is identity function. See, f of x is equals to some constant है. Means एक ही number है. Range में singleton set है. Then it is called as a constant function. And this is called identity. Same element. 2 2 को है, 3 3 को है, root 2 को है. Link mapping. Then we call it as a identity function.